The all-new Raptor is equipped with a third-generation twin-turbo 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering torque low in the rev range. It features state-of-the-art turbos and a 10.5:1 compression ratio, as well as new high-power fans built into the cooling system. With its standard 36-gallon capacity, Raptor has an estimated range of more than 500 miles on a full tank of gas. 10-speed automatic transmission upgraded with the next-generation controls is bolted to an innovative torque-on-demand transfer case. A standard electronic lock-in rear differential and available torsion front limited slip differential are fitted with the 4:10 final drive ratios. Maximum payload increases to 1,400 pounds, while maximum towing also increases to 8,200 pounds of conventional towing. The 5-link rear suspension features extra long trailing arms to better maintain axle position on rough terrain. The next generation Fox live-well internal bypass shocks with electronic control technology offering position-sensitive damping adjustability.